Guys, before we start the video, I want to let you know that I have brand new Ruby Rube merch. The website is rubyrube.co.uk. Go check it out, guys, and also follow me on Instagram. It's Ruby_Rube. Hey everyone, it's Ruby Rube. Welcome back to the channel. I'm with my cousin Amelia, and today, guys, we're doing Don't Choose the Wrong Cereal Slime Challenge. And look at all these cereals, guys. Oh my goodness, you have cornflakes. You have Shreddies, you have Golden Nuggets, you have Frosties, you have Lucky Charms. Guys, comment down below what your favourite cereal is out of this range. Mine is probably going to be Shreddies, Frosties, Lucky Charms and Golden Nuggets. I have a lot.
Mine are Frosties, Crunchy Nut, Lucky Charms, these things, I can't remember what their names are.
Wheatos. Ooh, yeah. Are you excited, Amelia?
Yeah.
Guys, are you ready? And actually, hopefully Amelia gets all the cereal.
No.
Yeah, I thought you liked cereal. You like cereal.
I know I like cereal, but not in slime, okay?
Yeah, but it might make it really crunchy.
True.
But the thing is, remember, cereal has got sugar in it, and sugar ruins your slime. Oh, this is going to be a really interesting video, guys. But if you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell in 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. All right, guys, it's round 1. Amelia, are you ready to do rock, paper, scissors? You guys know I have to stretch.
I clicked then.
Oh, okay, no. Okay, I'm ready. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. No!
Finally I won, and I'm gonna pick this one.
Lucky Charms. Oh, does it sound crunchy?
Yeah.
Oh, what is it gonna be?
You can have the first piece.
I feel like this. Here's my Lucky Charms! I want a marshmallow. Oh, I love them marshmallows. I'm going to go for a, I don't even know what this is. Maybe it's, I think it's a shooting star. I don't know, comment down below.
It's really pretty though.
Wow, look at that.
Wow.
That might make your slime really pretty as long as you get glue. But guys, it's my turn now and I'm gonna go for Frosties. Oh, what's inside? I'm nervous. Okay, 3, 2, 1. I got hand soap! This makes your slime smell super duper nice.
It probably makes it jiggly as well.
Okay, I think I'm gonna put that much in.
Some soap is like
Oh,
slime.
and look, it's unicorn magic.
It feels like slime.
Does it?
Look.
No. Yeah, it sort of does, but it smells super duper nice.
So guys, it's round 2 and my turn to pick. Because that's your turn to pick. I'm gonna pick this one.
Is it cereal again?
It's Nesquik cereal, guys.
Oh, it might. I feel like it is cereal.
Yeah, I think it
Are we
is.
just gonna get cereal? Yeah! You got cereal again, guys. Imagine if Amelia just gets all cereal. I might give her some milk for it.
Yeah, I would
just give
love
her some
that
milk.
cereal.
Yeah, I bet you would. I mean, guys, the whole point of the challenge is to try to avoid the cereal, but we're sort of liking it. Like,
Yeah.
oh my goodness, like,
I'm loving it. If I get glue, I'm gonna hate it.
I know, but it's my turn to pick, and I feel like Rice Krispies. Okay.
I do not want any slimy glue.
Rice Krispies! Yay! I wanted all the cereal. That means I can't have cereal because I got soap. No. So guys, it's round 3, and I feel like there's no glues in these cereals. It's just cereal, guys. But Amelia, it's your turn.
I want this one. I have got the crunchy nut one.
Crunchy nut.
Oh, I don't think it's cereal.
No, that means you can't eat it.
Oh, come on. You can have the first piece.
Oh, it's not cereal. I mean, guys, the whole point of the challenge is to try to not get the cereal, but we're sort of sad. What is it? Well, that feels weird. You're literally just going to have a crunchy slime, Amelia.
I'm really happy with it, but I can't have milk with it. I want to eat it.
Oh, that's going to ruin it. That's going to ruin it.
It's not edible.
But
It's your go.
It's my turn, and I want to go for the Rice Krispies mini. I'm going for another more Rice Krispies, guys. Do I trust this? I got cereal!
I said I wanted.
Oh my goodness! Look how cute these look. They're like little fishies. There's a Christmas tree. It's round 4.
And I'm gonna go for this one.
That's my favourite cereal.
Shreddies. And they're frosted as well.
Please tell me it's blue, because I don't want my cereal wasted.
You can have the first piece, guys.
I mean, we are supposed to get glue immediate and try to avoid the cereal, but the cereal's fun to get. That's so pretty. Oh my goodness.
If this is the only glue that I get, it's definitely not going to form.
True.
But I can't eat it.
I know, it's so sad. But it's my turn to pick, and I'm gonna go for my second favorite golden nuggets. Oh, there isn't any cereal.
Isn't there?
I don't think so.
I'm sad. I want cereal.
Wait, is it? I thought that was milk for a second. It's white glue. Oh, I got white glue. I thought it was milk, and I was like, wait, what?
I wanted milk, especially before I got like these things, whatever they are.
Oh my goodness, this is so cool. Looks like I got cereal and milk. I have cereal and milk with some soap in it at the bottom. Oh my goodness, this feels so weird, like squeezing it out of the bag. Ooh, I love this.
So guys, it's round 5 and I'm gonna pick...
I just noticed there's Paw Patrol. Crunchy nuts! Ooh,
Well,
I like crunchy
my
nuts.
favourite one.
Are you hoping it's it? Oh!
It's a good thing though. It's a good thing.
No!
It's at least more glue to make my slime.
Do you want me to help you pour the yellow one in?
Yeah, please.
Ah, yay! Oh, you're so lucky, but you're not making cereal. You're making slime now.
Oh no, I'm sad.
I know.
Life is over.
Okay, I think that's as much as I can get out.
Yeah.
Okay, there we go.
Tap, 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 tap. Squeeze. Oh, you can get more out of it. Tap, 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 tap.
This reminds me of Christmas colours.
Tap, 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 tap. Squeeze.
Alright guys, it's my turn to pick, and I'm going for the cornflakes, and it's very light. Oh no, was that a mistake?
I got more out of this, Ruby.
I can't even open it. There we go, I had to break it. Okay guys, have the first peek. Oh, what? Oh my goodness guys, look.
Yes, we got...
I got some silver shredded paper. I'm only gonna put a little bit in, because I remember the last time I made it, it was really hard to play with the slime.
I know.
So you can have some.
No.
joking.
And you kind of cut yourself, didn't you?
Yeah, accidentally hurt myself with it. So I'll save some. Actually, wig. Take my cat ears off. Put this back on. Do you like my new hair, guys?
So guys, it's round 7 and look at our slime.
Yeah, mine looks like a little nest now. You can't even see the cereal. But if I take this out, it looks like milk and cereal, which is cool. Right, Amelia, it's your turn to pick.
I'm going to choose the Cocoa Pop Rocks.
Coke Pop Rock. I've never had these before, so it's going to be interesting if it is actually cereal. I really want to try one before you pour it in.
Okay, let's have...
Oh my goodness, guys, this looks like almonds for some reason.
Yeah.
There's like coconuts and almonds.
I know.
You've got a very crunchy slime, Amelia, but it's my turn, and I'm going for Paw Patrol cereal.
Okay.
Paw Patrol, Paw Patrol, be there the double. All right, guys, you ready? You can have the first peek. I got more white glue. Are you serious, guys? I keep getting
keep getting milk.
I keep getting white glue. I mean, I'm not complaining because I do need more glue because I have got a lot of cereal. But I've got some cereal, guys. I've got some hand soap. I've got double milk, and I've got some shredded silver foil. All right, guys, it's the final round, and we have Weetos and Cheerios. And it's funny because they literally sound the same, but we've actually lost count of how many cereal we've got. I don't even know how many cereal Amelia's got because she got too much cereal. But it's going to be on the screens, guys. Right, Amelia, you ready? You're going for Cheerios. Oh,
It's
cereal.
not cereal.
That means I got cereal. Maybe I got cereal. I'm going to pick it up. Okay, I don't think I have. Right, let's open it at the same time. Okay, guys, hold on. I'm just going to rip it. Guys, we're going to do it at the same time, so have a peek first. Okay. 3, 2, 1. I got black paint. Are you serious right now?
I got clear glue.
I got black paint.
How much are you putting in?
A lot. There we go. That's fun. I'm literally always getting black paint.
Hey, no! Back now! Thank you.
Don't take Amelia's clear glue, guys.
Or my cereal. I love my cereal.
Or a cereal, apparently. Do you want some help? I'll help you with this one.
Thank you.
I love clear glue so much.
Same.
Guys, comment down below your favourite type of glue, but look at this. It looks like, you know, when you go see
floating
those
up.
rock pools and it's got like the rocks in it. It looks like a rock pool.
It does.
These are our slimes, guys. We're about to mix them to see what colours they come out. And don't forget to comment down below who has the better slime. Team Ruby, the lovely silver wig, or Team Amelia, the cereal?
Yeah.
Literally just a cereal. Right, 3, 2, 1, mix. Okay, so it's definitely coming out black, guys. This very interesting black
Look at mine.
slime. I've got, wow, look at Amelia's. I think you haven't got enough glue.
No, probably haven't. But it's just so tempting. Like, wouldn't you eat that? If that was an actual cereal, wouldn't you eat that?
Yes.
I definitely would.
Don't say about eating it. I sort of want to eat it now. Why'd you put that in my head?
Because I can.
Ooh, look at my slime. It looks like Venom slime. This is Venom slime.
That looks really cool.
Wow. Alright guys, we've got our activators and we're about to add it in. And in 3, 2, 1, you're going to see our slime results. And see if Amelia's actually turned. Oh, she's already going in. Will Amelia's turn? Does she have enough glue? I don't know, but you ready to count down? 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, here's our finished slimes. Mine over here is fully black, and because of the shredded foil, it made it like really stiff into like one clump, but it literally looks like Venom's thing. Look, it looks like Venom's slime thingy-majiggy. And over here on Amelia's.
This is the only bit I got out of all of this. And I quite like it actually. It smells like chocolate.
Smell it?
It smells really nice.
Guys, don't forget to comment down below who made the better slime. Team Ruby, the Venom silver hair slime, or Team Amelia, the
Beautiful
cereal slime.
The beautiful scented slime. Can I feel yours?
Yeah, can I feel yours? Can I feel that little piece?
Sure.
Oh, thank you. Whoa. Oh, Amelia! Okay, that's fine. But anyway, guys, we'll see you next time on Ruby Rube. Bye, guys. Oh, I wonder if that's actually going to fall.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, this feels so
I'm
weird.
worried I'm going to cut myself with your foil.